Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to channel for discovering tech and gear that makes life easier, smarter, and a whole lot more convenient. Today, we're talking about a game-changer for small spaces, the Giantex EP20313 portable washing machine. Whether you live in a small apartment, dorm room, or spend time in an RV, finding a reliable and compact washing solution can be a challenge. That's exactly where this Giantex combo unit comes in. It's a 2-in-1 washer and spinner, offering a total capacity of 20 pounds, with 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, giving you real full-load performance in a space-saving design. One of the standout features is its dual-tub design, which means you can wash and spin clothes at the same time, saving you time and energy. It's also super easy to operate thanks to the simple control panel with 3 dials: wash timer, wash selector, and spin timer. No digital fuss, just twist and go. The washer motor is powerful, delivering fast and effective cleaning even on tougher items like jeans or bedding. It's also surprisingly quiet, so it won't disrupt your work-from-home setup or quiet evenings. The spinner is equally impressive, wringing clothes nearly dry so you spend less time waiting and more time living. Setup is a breeze, no complex plumbing needed. It comes with everything you need for a quick connection, or you can manually fill the wash tub using a bucket or sink if you're off-grid. The compact size makes it perfect for small bathrooms, RV closets, or under-counter spaces. The build quality is solid with durable plastic housing, making it lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle regular use. And the gray and white color scheme gives it a modern, neutral look that won't clash with your space. So if you're looking to simplify laundry day without sacrificing performance, the Giantex EP20313 is a smart, space-efficient choice. Hit the link below to check it out and bring compact power to your laundry routine. And if you enjoy helpful gear reviews like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a drop here on Gadgetverse.